Hi guys, in this video I will show you another example of the Hugging Face, like how we can do text to speech generation with the LLM, okay, with the help of this Hugging Face platform. So again I have to install this transformer library because inside that only I am having all the, let's say if I search for Hugging Face, so if I go to the model section, so now let's say we'll be working with the audios, that means text to speech. Now if I click on text to speech, see it is having actually different model, okay, different model actually it is having, but the model actually I'm going to use this model called Suno Bark small model. So this is one of the transformer based text to audio model created by Suno. Okay, now if you want to read about this, you can go ahead and try to read about this particular model. Even they were also given the example, even though they have also given the collab notebook how we can use it. See, this is the collab notebook they have given, but so many things they have written. So what I have done, I just simplified this notebook, and this notebook I created. Okay, now let me show you how we can perform the text to speech generation. Now for this, first of all, I have to import that pipeline from the transformer, and here is the text, guys. So this text actually I'll be converting to the audio. Now see, Python is a high level general purpose programming language. This is my text. Now in the pipeline I want to perform text to speech, I have to give, and I have to give the model. So here I'm giving my model ID. This is my model ID, Bark small model. Then device is equal to CUDA because I want to load my model inside my GPU. Now it will give you the output. An output would be a NumPy array. So let me show you. If I just execute this program, see, now if I print the output would be a NumPy array. Okay, now I have to convert this NumPy array to audio, that is audio frequency. For this I'll be using one library, IPython display audio. This library will be using, and I have to give this array as well as the sampling rate. Okay, so here you can see I'm passing my audio, that means this array, as well as the sampling rate. Now if I execute, it will automatically convert this array to the audio. Now see, if I play,
Python is a high-level general purpose programming language.
See, I think you heard of, okay, it is speaking that particular text. Now you can give any kinds of text, it will generate the speech for that. Fine. Now you can play with different model, guys. I already showed you it is having different model. You can try with different model. Okay, see, I was using this model, Bark small model. You can also use any other model. Okay, it's up to you. So that's how, guys, you can explore this Hugging Face. It's an amazing platform, and it's like very powerful platform, guys, in the field of generative AI or in the field of natural language processing. So I hope you got it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.